a cricket crept in my room, so I ran to my mother and said, make it go away. She said the crickets bring us good luck, so I let him stay in bed in night and day. Later on, my cricket looked so sad, and he said, I'm getting lonely tonight. So I ran out into the field, and I brought him back a sweet cricket girlfriend. Before too long, my whole room was filled with baby crickets, all chirping and going. I gave all my friends a baby cricket for love, and I even gave them to my enemies. And all the people in the neighborhood and the lucky little crickets feed their gratitude. Friends are made and bitterness forgotten, and the happiness that crickets multiply. Mother said, let's find some little pumpkins and fill them with crickets and send them on the way to people here and there and everywhere, and bring all the world a happy brand new day. Boom boom shing a boom a shing shing, boom boom shing a boom boom a shing a shing a boom boom shing a boom a shing shing, boom boom shing a boom boom a shing a shing a boom boom shing a boom a shing shing, boom boom shing a boom boom a shing a shing a boom boom shing a boom a shing shing, boom boom shing a boom boom a shing a shing a. Little crickets chirping far and wide, and I winked and I smiled and I laughed and I lied. All the people were so happy go lucky, they could laugh and hate each other. There was peace on earth, joy everywhere, peace on earth, and hearts filled with gladness. Peace on earth, oh yes, there was peace on earth. And those are little crickets. Sing till the power of the Lord come down. Shout hallelujah, praise his holy name. Sing till the power of the Lord come down. Shout hallelujah, praise his holy name. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now am found, was blind, but now I see. Jesus, Jesus, how I love thee. Shout hallelujah, praise his holy name. Sing till the power of the Lord come down. Shout hallelujah, praise his holy name. Sing till the power of the Lord come down. Shout
The colors of my life are bountiful and bold. The purple glow of indigo, the gleam of green and gold, the splendor of the sunrise, the dazzle of a flame, the glory of a rainbow. I put them all to shame. No quiet browns and grays, I take my days instead and fill them till they overflow with rose and cherry red. And should this sunlit world grow dark one day, the colors of my life will leave a shining light to show the way.
The colors of my life are softer than a breeze. The silver gray of eiderdown, the dappled green of trees, the amber of a wheat field, the hazel of a sea, the crystal of a raindrop are all I'll ever need. Your reds are much too bold. In gold I find no worth. I'll fill my days with sage and brown, the colors of the earth. And if from by my side my love should roll, the colors of my life will shine a quiet light to lead me I don't want to go along with the crowd. Don't want to live life under a cloud. Give me some air and space and the sun on my face. I want to live out loud. Don't want to be alone in the crowd. Don't want to seem peculiar and proud. I want to be as free as I know how to be. I want to live out loud.
Every day, sleepwalk, lockstep, no one dares to stray.
Though they may, straight-laced, shamefaced, long to break away.
They're as lonely as can be. Is that what they want from me? I don't want to go
run down an open shoreline. I want to join in a moonlit dance. I want to swing in the branches of a tree.
I want to bathe in a hidden inlet and let the breeze come and dry my hair. Will I be took away from me? If that makes me headstrong, fine. That's a fault I'm glad is mine. I don't want to go along with the crowd. Don't want to hear it broken and loud. Why do I have to hide what I'm feeling inside? I want to live out loud. Don't want to be alone in the crowd. I only want what I'm not allowed. Give me the wings of a bird. I'll be seen and be heard.
I want to sing when my heart is full.
I want to sing and I want to fly. I want to soar in the sky without a cloud.